Unit 3, Lesson 3.12, Exercise Question Number 2. Mr. Kraft spends 1/4 of his salary for rent, 1/3 for food, 1/6 for clothing, and 1/8 for auto expenses. The remainder of his salary is used for personal expenses and savings. What fractional part of the salary is spent on the first 4 items, and what fraction of the salary is left for personal expenses and savings? Okay, so we're going to do the first part first. What fractional part of the salary is spent on the first 4 items? Well, we just need to add them up. 1/4 for rent, plus 1/3 for food, plus 1/6 for clothing, plus 1/8 for auto expenses. In order to add those, they need to be like fractions. So we need to find the LCD. The LCD of 4, 3, 6, and 8 is 24. So I'm going to rewrite each of these fractions over 24. To get from 4 to 24, I had to multiply by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. To get from 3 to 24, I had to multiply by 8. So 1 times 8 is 8. To get from 6 to 24, I had to multiply by 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. And to get from 8 to 24, I had to multiply by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. If I add up the numerators of 6, 8, 4, and 3, I will get 21 over that original denominator of 24. So he spent 21/24 of his salary on those first 4 items. We want to know what fraction of the salary is left for personal expenses and savings. Well, we can say that 1 out of 1 would represent his whole salary. So if we take away what he spent on those first 4 items, the number that we're left with will be what he has left to spend. So we need to make these like fractions. The LCD of 1 and 24 is 24. So I'm just going to rewrite each of these over 24. To get from 1 to 24, I had to multiply by 24. So 1 times 24 is 24 on the top as well. I didn't have to do anything this one, so I can just rewrite it as 21. 24 minus 21 leaves us with 3 over 24. Great, but it's not as reduced as it can get. I can divide both the top and the bottom by 3. If I do so, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. So he has 1/8 of his salary left for personal expenses and savings.